Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add a new item to the Invoice Maker PDF generator application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, tap on the items button down below. Click on the plus icon in the upper right corner, add the item's description, and after that set the price and the text. Tap on the plus icon, type in the text name, set the text rate, click on the button add, go back and tap on the add button. So here you can see your new item. If you want to delete it, just slide to the right side and click on the delete button to get rid of it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.